Welcome to our channel. Let's walk through the quick and easy steps to activate your Mountain America Credit Union card, so you can start using it immediately if you recently received a new Mountain America Credit Union card and are wondering how to activate it. This guide will clear all your doubts and get you using your card in no time. First and foremost, make sure you have your card in hand along with your personal identification information. To begin with, you have several activation options, either online, by phone, or through Mountain America Credit Union's mobile app. Let's start with the online method. Visit the official Mountain America Credit Union website and locate the card activation page. This is usually under the Cards or Security section. Once there, you will be prompted to enter some details such as your card number, the expiration date, and your personal details. Just follow the instructions carefully and submit the information. You should receive a confirmation once your card is activated successfully. Next, the phone activation option is quick and convenient. Simply call the number provided on the sticker attached to your card, or find the customer service number on Mountain America Credit Union's website. When you call, have your card and identification ready. The automated system or customer service representative will guide you through entering your card details and verifying your identity. Once confirmed, your card will be activated and ready for use. Another popular option is to use the Mountain America Credit Union mobile app. Download and open the app if you haven't already logged in, or create an account. Navigate to the card services or activation section, enter the required card information, and follow the prompts for authentication. The app often provides immediate confirmation and is a handy tool for managing your account afterward. Keep in mind that activating your card typically requires a secure internet connection or a phone call from a safe location. Avoid public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks during this process for your security. Also, remember to sign the back of your card once it is activated. This is an important step for your protection when using your card in stores. If you encounter any issues during activation, do not hesitate to contact Mountain America Credit Union's customer service. They are available to assist you swiftly with any problem or question you might have. Following these straightforward steps will ensure your Mountain America Credit Union card is activated quickly and ready to use for everyday purchases, bills, and online transactions. Enjoy the convenience and security of your new card and manage your finances easily with Mountain America Credit Union.